Kumusani kukageire kwene kigwa ase ya mate yo mugavana omutanga nibwe county ya Nyamira omoske John Nyagarama maiga yego kagerwa gose chinguma gotarabuna nigo musubati yo kukabire asireta na Nyagarama kwanya aroberigwe koseligwa korwa ase endemero yaye igendukirira abatakanwa korwa chinsama chia tente imemo chiyuna ye county ya Nyamira korobekana na kugikeria egekorekyo nonye nabo omusubati Emiri Nyagarama uyo ligetiekerwo kyobo gumare county ya Nyamira weboigore omuiseke ogose musubati omugavana Nyagarama nigatukutirare engane yo buna gotumunye mulikito Polycarp Okara
engana yendemero nanenekero monta atumbagire kuraso bweko bwense nigekoreta liberali nyinge yareta egeitano chisegie na bwego neriumana asukorwanera birinya gusira tigire nigaiga imechinseme chiga chia tente ewadi ya township ebunga ya West Mugrango asengayo musubati omukebu omugavana omutangani we county ya Nyamira omoske John Nyagarama oyo manyakantemna na Nyagarama asema byalero ababura kabege kurase chinseme chiga banyareko bakurubekana asikirianga asechinguma chirenga na Nyagarama nigo agoseligwa kurwase endemero yaye
nawo mino mongino Nyagarama banywa manete na Nyagarama bamenyire nere myaka atara kuomo bangire bwoye ngarari nawo mina amanyire bwoye ngarari no tamenyete nera abune jirani yaiteke nyoro ngakibono nanda goja goseri gukorumwaye asari mwaye ngani nyomba gitagorwe
ababura bakabaiga asobo monigo bagendere ko babagoesona nigatena kugikiria egetambukire kiga asebaganire abangina bali batira mana basacha babo osikwa
igoto kumetinga ekero musacha akure omobora katigaire abasubati bako ruchinso baba chiche gocha goseria nyina mokeu konyora maragerio nyakomoketa ligokunwa
nyina boni go babulja baraikurase serikali ya county ya Nyamira kwana kibunango ya sona ni bali gatibune nchire yemo yogo sunsurana anene liberali gendete kwana kigwa asinke yiga
kimogwa Nyagarama makanyo mongina naumi enyomba yaya nigo ulibe binte boko
omukito gatema gukwana mone eyamate yiga iyo mugaka Nyagarama ngatwikera Emiri Nyagarama uyore boigo mwana siasa asatu guterare chinkuma buna ngose ali wari kurwa ase obure mu bwiga bwaye nagateba bunga magena aretu asaje yiga nigo ari nekirenga gyokora ise nyumba iyo erabe buna ekenyerio watakana muno gusira gwaise asa abantu baracha gusasima mwiga barobere tikokora omweri bw'umwaka yiga
that as we have no interest, we don't want to embarrass Mugaka. Tata no muntu myorenge alikuwa a very kind person. He was a nice person. As we cannot want to embarrass him in either life or in death. In two, we have been mourning our father. No one has the strength. In Torah strength yoko boka wanza kubona nkyo mugaka abwate gosenkiata abwate gose we have not started anything. We are still mourning our father. The first year of being normal was this year. And what we want to do, you want to pray. You want to bring like a pastor to come and pray. We want to have this function on 18th all through to 24th this year. That's why we are building. We cannot do that.
Bagingo reporter gitaseni kyo wanjete kyagetembe kurwaiga imeye chinseme chigache county Nyamira inchi gonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.